Start by loosening the center pin on the mount and removing it if you can. If you cannot, don't worry, it will come out later. Then remove the 4 bolts holding the metal support piece that holds the mount. Unless you are a child, you're going to need to jack up the car to reach the back 2 bolts. Once you remove all 4 bolts, you will be able to pull out the center pin, if you could not earlier. Unbolt your old motor mount and bolt on your new one. Put the center bolt back in, but do not tighten it down all the way. Put the other 4 bolts back in and tighten them down. Then tighten down the center bolt. I'll put the torque specs in the description. And once you do all that, you're all done.